Music Theory Corner. Odd time signatures. Here we go.
Shalom and welcome to Joshua Pearsall's Music Theory Corner. Today, we'll be talking about odd time signatures. Imagine this. You're sitting there with your instrument, you're playing along to a piece of music, and all of a sudden you see this strange time signature that's something that you've never come across before, and you stare at it. You're entranced. You can't take your eyes away from it. You're both scared yet intrigued. You think, what is this? What secrets do you hold? What can I learn from this time signature? What are you? And by the time you think of that, you are already 4 measures behind and your whole piece of music is ruined. So I'm here to help you not do that. An odd time signature, you can think of it as a signature that is not easily divisible. When you think of 6/8 or 4/4, those are easily subdivided into 2, even 1 parts all on their own that line up and they sound nice and in a row. But say you have 5/8, all right? That, you have 2 beats and 3 beats, and that's 5 beats, but that doesn't sound quite cohesive. It doesn't sound quite equal to each other. So how do you count that? It's really quite simple. The method is just subdivision. Subdivision is breaking down a large part into smaller parts. So simply like a quarter note going into 2 eighth notes, that's technically a subdivision. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's subdivision. Another way to subdivide is you can do groupings of your particular rhythms. So take 5/8 for example. We can subdivide that into 3 beats and then 2 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we can do 2, 2, and 1 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let's take 7/8 for example. Maybe you're thinking, let's take the 4 and the 3, that equals 7, but counting above 3 in a 6/8 type time signature is a little tricky, so we want to keep that to 3 and below. So we can do 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or we can do 2, 2, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. There's a very famous song called Take 5, which is jazz, of course. I love jazz. Yes. And it takes this concept and builds an entire song around it. Both the lyrics, both the melody, both the rhythm, harmony, everything. The idea is that the quarter note time signature is played a little bit more straight, but that 5th beat gives it a little extra spice, if you will. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They subdivide the same way you would do 6/8. They're just counted differently. So 7/8 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. And 7/4 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. It just depends on the time signature and how it's counted. When we're clapping this out, it doesn't sound too bad or too hard, but when we're singing or we're playing and we have to actually put it into practice, that's when the trouble comes, because we're so used to 4/4 and the simple time signatures that anything other than that kind of freaks us out. But once you get the hang of it, it's kind of funny. It's like a different groove. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Thank you all for watching Music Theory Corner. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And here's a cute little picture of a squirrel.